Myself, Bhayapi Security, Chemistry PGT, Conversion Agency. My topic is the block elements, group 16 elements. Group 16 elements, also called as chalcogens. In this group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, and tellurium and polonium are present. The general electron configuration is Ns2Np4. In this topic, the ozone is preparation. Ozone is prepared. It is an aerobic form of oxygen. Preparation. When a slow dry stream of oxygen passes through a silent electrical discharge, conversion of oxygen to ozone. In this reaction, 3 moles of oxygen is passed through the stream of oxygen and silent electrical discharge, conversion of oxygen to ozone. The main feature of is silent electrical discharge. The product ozone is formed. This product is also called as ozonized oxygen. The properties: ozone is pale blue gas, dark blue liquid, and violet blue solid. The ozone above 100 ppm, breathing becomes headache and nausea. And another property is ozone is thermodynamically unstable with respect to oxygen. The preparation of ozone is exothermic reaction. Some chemical reactions are present. Lead sulfate plus ozone gives rise to lead sulfate. And iodine ions react with ozone to form iodine. Metals like silver and mercury oxidize to their respective oxides. Silver Ag plus ozone O3 gives rise to silver oxide Ag2O. And mercury plus ozone to give mercuric oxide. This reaction is called tailing of mercury. The dissociation of mercuric oxide in mercury. Mercury loses its meniscus and starts sticking to the sides of the glass container. This is called tailing of mercury. Ozone reacts with alkene or alkyne in an inert solvent like ethylene chloride, carbon tetrachloride, etc. At temperature 195 Kelvin, the ozonides are formed. Ethylene reacts with ozone to form ozonide ethylene or ethylene ozonide. Ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 plus O3 gives rise to ethylene ozonide. Ethylene ozonide. Sulfur. Allotropic forms of sulfur. Numerous types are present in sulfur allotropes. There are 2 important types. One is yellow sulfur or yellow rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur. And second one is monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur. In yellow rhombic sulfur, the melting point is 385.8 Kelvin temperature. It is insoluble in water but dissolved in benzene, alcohol and ether, and readily soluble in carbon disulfide. In monoclinic sulfur, it is also soluble in carbon disulfide. Both the forms means yellow rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur are stable at 369 Kelvin temperature. This temperature is called as transition temperature. The S-type molecules are packed to give different crystal structures. both. The both means yellow rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur are pucker and crown shaped structures. This is the structure of rhombic sulfurs. These are crown shaped. This is the chain form. And sulfur dioxide preparation. Sulfur dioxide is prepared by the sulfur is burnt in air or O2. Sulfur plus O2 or oxygen gives rise to sulfur dioxide. In industrially, byproduct of roasting sulfide was ferrous sulfide plus oxygen gives rise to sulfur dioxide. This is the product, sulfur dioxide.
Oxo acids of sulfur. Sulfur forms a number of oxo acids such as H2SO3, H2S2O3 and H2S2O4, H2S2O5, H2SXO6 in their axis 2 to 5 and H2SO4 and sulfuric acid H2S2O7, H2SO5, H2S2O8. Some of these acids are unstable and cannot be isolated. They are known in aqueous solution in the form of their salts. Structure of some important oxide acids of sulfur are sulfurous acid H2SO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, peroxy disulfuric acid H2S2O8, pyrosulfuric acid oleum H2S2O7. These are the structures of oxo acids of sulfur.
Preparation of sulfuric acid. Contact process. In this process, sulfur burns in air to form sulfur dioxide SO2. The sulfur dioxide reacts with excess of oxygen in the presence of catalyst vanadium pentoxide V2O5. The temperature is 450 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure to give sulfur trioxide SO3. SO3 dissolves in concentrated sulfuric acid to form oleum for the H2S2O7. This is diluted with water to form sulfuric acid. This is the flow chart of contact process. The schematic representation of contact process by the preparation of sulfuric acid. First, sulfur burner. This is the sulfur burner. This is the air passing nozzle. Sulfur bars are taken. The dust separator is present. The dust separator separate the impure particles, sulfur dioxide and oxygen to give impure sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide is cooled with water sprayers. Water sprayers cools the sulfur dioxide. Washing and cooling tower. This is the cooling tower. The waste water removes in this way. The remaining SO3 and oxygen pass through this vessel. In this vessel, this is the dry tower. Some acid in this concentrated sulfuric acid spray. This is the process. In this way, the waste acid is removed from the dry SO2 and O2 comes to the preheater. This is the preheater. This is also arsenic purifier. Some of the another impurities are present in this preheater. The arsenic purifier containing gelatinous hydrated ferric oxide. This is the catalytic converter. Catalyst vanadium pentoxide is used. The sulfur dioxide and oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. In this process, to flow the final chamber, concentrated sulfuric acid is placed on the sulfur trioxide to form oleum H2SO7. This is the quartz. Some chemical reactions are there. This is the exothermic process. Strong acidic character H2SO4 is also called as the king of the acids. Some chemical reactions. Copper react with sulfuric acid. Copper react with sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. This sulfide ores react with sulfuric acid to form sulfur dioxide. Carbon react with sulfuric acid to form sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Uses. Number of acids are present. The H2SO4 is used for the preparation of hundreds of compound preparation like carbonic acids. And another use, this is also used for the preparation of fertilizers like ammonium phosphate, sulfate and super phosphate. This is also used for the preparation of petroleum industry for the petroleum, and also used for the preparation of paints, also used for the preparation of detergent industry and